Well, I have here my microscope, and I have here a face mask that I put in the microscope here, and I'm going to turn on the light, and the light is going to shine through the mask and it's going to deposit the picture here, right here on the paper, and see how it looks like. Let's go and analyze and see how efficient this works. So I'm going to turn off the light, and then we're going to focus here on the paper and see the result. Okay, I'm going to turn off the light. And then we see here, you see all these strings, all the lines of the fibers, and you see all the big holes in there in between. That's where the light shines through. You can see all the light. The white is where the light shines through. There is nothing stops the light there. And here you can see these spots here. That's where with heat they melt the plastic fibers and they stick together here in these spots here. See, they're all same pattern. See, they're everywhere. But you see those big holes that are in there? I don't think you can. I think when you put it on your face and you talk, maybe the saliva doesn't go through there, it doesn't go out, because saliva is probably thick enough to be stopped by those fibers. But a virus coming out from outside, and they can go very easy through those holes and get into your mouth. So it does not protect you from getting the virus inside of your mouth. It only protects other people from. If you have the virus and you talk, they probably get stuck here in those fibers, but you're not protected against the virus. The holes are too big. It's like trying to stop a fly flying through a chicken wire. It's the same thing. Like 3-inch holes, you cannot stop a fly flying through a 3-inch hole. And the virus, they're like a few microns in size. They just fly right through those holes. Okay, let's get it a little bit closer now. See the holes, big holes here, and this is where they get, with some system, they melt the fibers together so they don't go all over the place. Let's move it a little bit around. This is a single layer, and you see there's only a few fibers there. Nothing in the background. So as you can see, all these white spaces, that's all holes. You can only see the green fibers. It's like just open space. That's all you see there. Not going to stop any virus there.